me and Chong are walking through. I don't see any animals, but this is a nice area. With all the trees and how they go here, and then how you can see down out that way. It's just a really pretty scenic route. It just really catches your eye. And it's so pretty. Then you go around this way and it's still nice. And that way. Very, very cute. And quaint. You can build a small cottage around here. I mean, I would. Oh, I think I got a squirrel. I don't know if you can see him back there. But we got squirrel footage. Sitting up, like right in the back. I'm gonna let him be in peace and sit in his squirrel happiness there. I thought this was a perfect fall scene with the leaves and the water and the colors of the leaves changing colors over here. This is literally a perfect October scene. It's just something that you don't see all year round, and that's what makes this kind of special, in my opinion. So I figure I'd share this with you guys, because I know you guys are nature buffs too.